boy. At the end of the day, the government not really look nothing good for we, you know.
We have been doing the right thing by Jamaica.
Yeah, government for me, you know. Me can't sit down and rely upon you, you know.
No other government that has repaired and built like this government.
You see that happen? That a go on nowhere.
In your community.
Who can rely upon the government?
22,000 Jamaicans have had the chance to own their own homes.
How much a big man over state and big man like that know you know?
Over 100,000.
So you feel say after you be prime minister, you feel done with we and go to some people who never know you before?
You have to level the playing field.
Remember we the people make you be who you is, you know.
The public would see and would know.
I want to you, man. You have to deal with it better than that, man.
Why and how?
Give a better benefit.
Action is being taken.
You can't live in our country and not get a benefit, brother.
We were reminded of that.
You just a dig for yourself alone, like say you alone make up this.
Don't talk about it.
And you alone make yourself be in the cabinet today, you know.
Leave that aside.
You give the people them none of your money where you get.
The government just start to spend some money.
You have to help people to man, you have to just take from people alone.
Blessings fall by the right hand.
Oh, me a work and me can't reach now when me can't see nothing. Me still have to look somewhere for thief.
We're gonna do something, don't worry.
If you make people have money and live comfortable and can see them salary and put them where they want to reach, people will comfortable, brother.
Why would you tell a taxi man when not even a driving one car? Most of them blood clot taxi man they don't even own their own ride. As some of the blood clot car them a drive. I try make meet him and him blood clot family. To see if him send him own a pitney them go to school. You feel what me a dealing? So now, when time pitney fi go to school, that means 4 car seat. For the pan the back of every taxi a morning time and one in at the front 5 car picnic at school a morning time. You know say you're corruption, me general man. You know say I send taxi man for go thief and murder people, me general. You know say every day you get up you try to make poor people life harder than what it already is, me G. You know how much of them taxi man they struggle already, me general. I feel PR people $13,000 and $14,000 a week or $20,000 a week. We see him car where I tell him to buy blood clot car seat put in. What the man go get car seat money from me general? And why such a stipulation? And why you have $5,000 from broke people, me G? We are trying to do something constructive. When if you come be a nuisance to your population, me G, why you want $5,000 from the people them?
Me say, I don't know what kind of country this me live in now. But I hear some utterance from a man named Warmington. Me say, you know, when you have a child with disobedient, with disrespectful, when you have them kind of pitney there, we're unruly, we're arrogant, we're indisciplined, and you cannot speak to them, them pitney there. You can't caution them, you can't talk to them, you can't correct them, you can't discipline them nor nothing. Warmington and the Prime Minister are that combination. Yeah, man. And me wear my green because I have so much green clothes. But I'm so glad that I only now sleep in them. Yeah, man. I have green clothes to kill. Yeah, the man cannot correct the man. Because guess why? It's when you live a life like when you see some woman or some man or some pitney, and the pitney then see you live certain kind of life, and when you see them come up and they start do the same thing, or even before them come up, even at teenage years or even under teenage years, and you see them and do something you can't talk to them, this is a clear example of it. Prime Minister can't talk to Warmington. Warmington have him ticket. It's clear him have him ticket. Can you imagine such disrespect?